How to use this site. Welcome to Atelier sur Demande Instant Workshops, a website of free and open short lessons on digital skills for higher education in French and English. In this video, I'll explain how to use this site. First, all content on Atelier sur Demande Instant Workshops is available in both French and English. Wherever you are on the site, at any time, you can switch between languages from the top menu. The home page will always list the 3 latest workshops, so it's the quickest way to check for new content. And just in case you're watching this from the workshops page or on YouTube, the home page also contains this introductory workshop if you ever need a review. The workshops page lists all available workshops and lets you search for the ones you want. The workshop search box searches titles, categories, and tags, and search results are updated as you type. You can also search by selecting a digital skill category from the categories drop-down menu or a descriptive tag from the tags drop-down menu. Each workshop on the workshops page is represented by a card containing the title, the digital skill categories it belongs to, the length of the workshop video, and the number of times that video has been viewed. Select a card to open a workshop. All workshops have the same structure. They start with the title, followed by a short description of what the workshop's about. Next is the workshop video, presented in Able Player, which is an accessible media player. With Able Player, you can turn captions on or off with the Captions button. You can show or hide the video's interactive transcript with the Transcript button. I'll talk more about the interactive transcript soon. You can jump to specific sections of the workshop with the Chapters button. Although we aim to keep workshops short and focused, we still want to give you options on how to work through the content. Some learners may prefer viewing full videos, while others may prefer skipping introductions and going straight to instructions. You can adjust video playback speed with the faster and slower buttons, represented by a rabbit and a turtle. For example, I generally prefer watching videos at 1.5 times the normal speed when they're in English, but I slow them down to 0.75 times speed when they're in French. You can select the full screen button to view the video in full screen, or you can view the video as embedded on the page and follow along with the interactive transcript just beneath the video. Interactive transcripts are a fantastic feature of Able Player. You can use the transcript to scan or review the spoken content from the video, or you can select any part of the transcript to skip to that part of the video. Following the video and interactive transcript are focused written instructions for learners who would rather read or learn by doing than watch or listen to videos. The written instructions provide the same steps as the videos, so you can use whichever one you prefer, or both. Following the instructions is a short review section to check and consolidate your learning. This consists of a task for learning, which is often just completing what the workshop is instructing you to do, and a review question, usually multiple choice, to confirm that you've understood a central idea. Following the review section are downloadable and printable Word and PDF documents containing the workshop's full transcript, written instructions, and review questions, in case you prefer working from documents rather than a web browser. Some workshops provide links to external websites, provided those websites are available in French and English and offer quality information. Finally, some workshops are part of a series. When they are, other workshops in the series will be listed at the bottom of the page. This is the consistent single-page structure of each workshop on Atelier sur Demande Instant Workshops, so that you know what to expect each time. Finally, the About page provides a bit more information on the thinking and people behind Atelier sur Demande Instant Workshops. There's also a contact form if you have questions, feedback, or suggestions for future lessons. Enter a name, email address, and message, confirm that you're not, in fact, a robot, and select Send. And that's how to use this site. I hope Atelier sur Demande Instant Workshops provides a positive learning experience. Thank you.